Look at this, kids. Look at this drift here. Holy crud. Look at the size of that thing. Oh my goodness.
Okay, Nicole Padalini's on the New York Stock Exchange floor. The Treasury Secretary Tim Geithner focusing today on the
It's snowing out there, alright.
relationship.
Holy moly.
At Johns Hopkins University expressed concerns over China's rapid economic growth.
Oh, the poor little thing.
China, of course,
There's all the ice on the window.
opportunities for the United States and for the world.
Yikes. I don't think I'm getting out the door.
And its policies are a growing
Nope.
source of concern.
That's not going to happen.
Both here and in countries around the world.
Geithner also saying our economic strengths are complementary with China's. The speech comes ahead of President Obama's meeting next week with the Chinese president, Hu Jintao. As for the markets this morning, we showed you stocks moving higher. Looks out now shifted over to commodities with the oil price getting closer now to 92.